We'll guide you through how to fix iPhone sound not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's an annoying problem when your iPhone sound isn't working, as you then can't go and hear what your iPhone is outputting. So we've got some different fixes you can try. You may find the iPhone is outputting a very quiet amount of sound or just none at all. So let's go and get started with these different fixes. First of all, you want to go and drag down in the top right of your iPhone on the battery to open the control center. You want to make sure that the ringer is on and silent mode's off. I find in some apps, they don't go and output any sound if silent mode's on. So you can go and press that bell icon to go and turn silent mode off, make sure it's not highlighted. You can also go and use the button on the side of the phone as well. If it says silent, that can be white, so make sure it says ring. Go and see if that goes and solves the problem. If it doesn't, you want to go and open up the settings app on your iPhone like so. Then you want to go down to Bluetooth. What you should try doing is turning this off. I've gone and found that sometimes the iPhone can go and be connected to a Bluetooth device and trying to output the sound to that, which is why it isn't working. So try turning that off and go and see if it solves it. Next, if that still isn't working, you want to just try using a different app if you're finding it's happening with a specific app, as it could be a problem with that. If you find that it is a problem with that specific app, then what you should try doing is going and checking the settings, make sure there's not a volume control in there and the app is not muted within its settings as well. So you could try using a different app like the music app or playing a file and go and see if that then goes and starts working. Now, if that doesn't solve it, make sure the speakers are not blocked or they've got a lot of lint in them, as that can make it really quiet. So what you can do is come down here and you can go and inspect the speakers here. When you go and put them in your pocket, your phone, they're going to go and collect things in it and just using it in general. So make sure they're not blocked up and the case isn't blocking them or something like that to go make it muffled and very quiet, making you think there's no sound. For the next fix, let's try doing a restart, as often it can just be a software problem and doing a restart will go and solve the problem. To do that, you want to go and press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side power button. Now go and keep this held down. Shortly, the phone screen is going to go black. Keep it held down until it does though. As you can see, it's about to. Now, just go and wait. Only go and release it when you go into the Apple icon, as that means the iPhone is then starting again. So as you can see, the Apple icon's appeared. It shouldn't take long and the iPhone's now come back on. So what we can then do is go and unlock it. It won't take long and your iPhone is now back on. Hopefully doing that just goes and refreshes everything and it goes and solves the problem. If you're finding that it still doesn't, there's still no sound or it's very quiet, the next thing you want to try doing is opening up your iPhone settings. Now you need to go and scroll down, go and find the option for General, scroll to the bottom of General, and you want to find the option for Transfer or Reset iPhone. You can tap there, and then you can go to the bottom and you can go and press Reset. And what you can do is go and press Reset All Settings. Enter in your iPhone passcode to do this. So hopefully that then goes and solves it if you're still finding it hasn't.